Introduction. Cascading Style Sheets CSS is a tool that enables the control of website appearance. CSS Filter property aids in adjusting an element's rendering such as color, blurriness, brightness, etc. Filter property can add a unique feel to a website. Understanding CSS filters. CSS Filter property applies visual effects to an element. It can include effects like blurring, brightness, contrast, drop shadow, grayscale, hue rotate, invert, opacity, saturate, and sepia. The filter property can be applied to all HTML elements including images and texts, and to before and after pseudo elements. Types of CSS filters. Blur filter applies a Gaussian blur to the element. The parameter specifies the radius of the blur. Brightness filter adjusts the brightness of the element. 0% creates a completely black image. 100% leaves the input unchanged, and values over 100% provide brighter results. Contrast filter adjusts the contrast of the element. 0% creates a completely gray image, 100% leaves the input unchanged, and values over 100% provide results with more contrast. Tips and tricks. Use CSS filters sparingly as they can affect website performance. Not all web browsers support CSS filters, so always provide a fallback for unsupported browsers. Always provide a unit for the filter value. For example, the radius in the blur filter must be specified in pixels. Apply multiple filters in the same declaration and separate them by a space. Conclusion. CSS filters provide a way to create unique visual effects for web elements. Understanding how to use and combine different filters can enhance the overall user experience. Always use filters sparingly and provide a fallback for unsupported browsers.